Hello YouTubers, I hope you all are doing well. I am your friend Asif Ali, back again with a new video of Python series. In this video, we will talk about how to download and install Python 3 on Windows machine. Now, if I'm talking about Windows, then it's mean there is a common installation procedure for all the versions of Windows. Onward to Windows XP, either you have Windows 7, 8 or Windows 10, or whatever version you have, the procedure is remains same. Now let's look on the topics that we are going to cover. These are the topics we are going to talk about. The first one is how to download Python 3, and then we will install Python. After that we will launch code editor, where we will write a code. At the end we will verify our installation by writing some code and check whether it works properly or not. Right? Now in order to download Python, go to your Google Chrome browser or whatever any other browser you have and write this URL python.org. Then you will see the home page of Python. This is the official website of the Python. Just simply hover your mouse arrow on the downloads button. Then you can see the latest version of the Python till the date when I am recording this video, which is the Python 3.8.4. This is for Windows. If you have any other platform or any other operating system, you can download from here, or Macintosh or any other platform here, right? Or if you want to download any older version, you can click on all releases. Let me show the different releases of Python. You can see these are some older versions of Python you can download from here, but I recommend you to download the latest one, right? Because the latest one is a bugs free. In order to download, what you have to do, just click on this button, but I have already Python download, so I don't need to download it again. Let me show you where I downloaded Python. In my softwares folder, this is the Python setup or Python exe executable file. Now after download you will find something like this icon, which I have, which is about 25.5 MB. In order to install, what you have to do, just double click on this. Now it will show you the windows something like here. You can see the install now and customize installation, but before, what you have to do, by default this is unchecked, right? But you must check this checkbox, because the reason is you can easily access Python through your command prompt as well. I will show you later how you can access the Python from command prompt. For now, just click on this checkbox and click on install now. It will take some time, depends on the operating system and machine you have, but we will pause this video and we will continue back again. The installation is almost complete, right? Here you can see it is a 32-bit software, and normally people get confused that if it is a 32-bit, that how we can install on our operating system. So don't worry about that. If your operating system is 64-bit, then it has ability to install or download both type of softwares, whether software is 32-bit or 64-bit. Now how you can check whether where's your operating system? What you have to do is go to the my computer and then properties. You will find the 64-bit operating system, right? Now don't get confused yourself that the was 64-bit and was 32-bit. Let it go now. For now, just remember, if your operating system is 64, then it's mean its ability to install both softwares, 32-bit as well as 64-bit. I think our setup is installation is complete. Just click on close. Now till now we download Python and then we install. Now the next step is launch our Python, right? In order to launch, what you have to do, go to Windows. This is the first method. You can access the Python here, or if you do not find Python here, what you have to do, in search bar write the Python. Okay, click on this Python app. You will get this black screen. This is what we call the Python shell, or you can also call it the Python editor as well, where we will write code. For example, let me show you 3 plus 4. When I just enter, you can see, let me zoom it, you can see the answer is 7, right? This is the Python expression. This is what you call the Python interpreter. As we know that the Python is an interpreted language, there are two types of languages out there. Those which need compiler in order to run their program are called the compiler based languages, while those programming languages which need interpreter are called the interpreted language. But Python need interpreter, that's why it is called the interpreted language. Now, what's the difference between the interpreter and compiler? I already uploaded the video on this, you can check on my YouTube channel. So this is the basic installation of Python, but there is one another method you can access the Python. Go to the command prompt. As I said, this is the command prompt. In order to access the Python from command prompt, what you have to do, just write the Python and click enter. Now you are in the Python shell. Okay, you can write any Python expression here. You can see 3 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 6, you can get 80, right? This is the way you can use Python, whether directly running a Python interpreter as we did. This is Python interpreter, or by using the command prompt you can access the Python as well, right? So this is the basic installation of Python. But if you're familiar about some programming languages like C, C++, or Java, you might use some IDEs, integrated development environments. IDEs are actually software which provide a platform to do programming, which provides all the things which are required for, or all the features and modules required for programming in a single place, right? For now we do not install IDE, but we just install basic Python. We will install the IDE and we will learn how IDE works and how we will code on IDE, right? So don't worry about that. This is the basic installation of Python. Next video we will talk about how to install the IDE for Python. There are a lot of IDEs, integrated development environments for Python, and we will install one of them in order to write a code. There's one thing more I want to show related to Python. Write Python, go to open file location, right? When this black screen is open, is the command prompt. Let me show you how you can open the Python editor. This is the Python editor, right? This is the Python shell, as you Python 3.8.3 shell. When you click new file, you will find this code editor where you can write Python code. For example, let me write some code. Print, I want to print my name, right? Parentheses and then double quotes, Asif Ali. Now in order to run, what you have to do, just click on run module. Okay, it says save. Okay, ABC. I just save this. You can see run successfully. This is the way you can code. You can write code here and then run, or you want to run directly, you can write code directly here. Let me show you. You can also write the code here, Asif Ali. You can see the result Asif Ali print, right? So it's up to you. This Python shell is for in order to check a single line, but if you want to write a complete program, then you should use this code editor first, where you will write all the line of codes, like these are the codes line, then you will at the end you will run. But if you want to check a single line of Python, then you can just write that line here and you can easily check. This is not the case with other languages, like in C or C++. If you want to check a printf line, then what you have to do, then we have to write all the 4 or 5 line of codes and we have to design a complete program in order to check a single line. But in case of Python, we have facility that which is called a Python shell, where we can check a single line by just writing code. This is the beauty of Python. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like this video button, do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified about the new videos. Stay tuned and goodbye. If you enjoyed the video, do like and share. And for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Stay tuned and goodbye.